In this Google Sheets tutorial, you will learn how to create drop-down menus and explore some practical examples of how to use them. Drop-down menus can help make your spreadsheets more interactive and user-friendly, so let's see how to use them. Creating a drop-down menu. First, let's create a simple drop-down menu in Google Sheets. Select the cell where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Click on Data in the menu bar, and then select Data Validation. Click Add Rule. In the Criteria section, choose Dropdown or Dropdown from a range, depending on your preference. Dropdown lets you manually enter the options. Dropdown from a range allows you to use a range of cells as the options. If using dropdown from a range, specify the cell range containing the list of items you want to include in the dropdown menu. Click Done, and now there is a dropdown menu in the selected cell. Now that we've created our dropdown menu, let's explore an example of how to use it. Example: filtering data using a drop-down menu. In this example, we have a table with employee data, including names, departments, and salaries. We'll use a drop-down menu to filter the data by department. Let's create a drop-down menu with the available departments as options. To do this, click on an empty cell where you want the drop-down menu. Go to Data, Data Validation, click Add Rule. In the Criteria section, choose Drop-down from a range and select the range containing the department names. Click Done. Now you have a drop-down menu with department names. In an empty cell, let's type the following formula to filter data based on the selected department. A2, C11 is the range of cells containing the data you want to filter. B2, B11 is the group of cells you want to check. In this example, it will be the range containing the department column. The filter function looks at these cells to see if they match the criteria. E1 is the criteria cell, where the drop-down menu has been created. In this example, instead of using a specific value, for example, marketing, the formula will filter data based on the value selected in the drop-down menu. This allows for more dynamic filtering, as the criteria can be easily changed without modifying the formula itself. If you want to learn more about the filter function, check out our other tutorial named How to Filter Data in Google Sheets, Filter Function Tutorial. In our example, the filter function serves as an example to demonstrate how to take advantage of the drop-down menu. Now let's get back to the drop-down menu. Okay, so now, when you change the value in the drop-down menu, it will automatically update the value in the filter formula. This means that when you select a department from the drop-down menu, the data in the table will be filtered accordingly, showing only the employees belonging to that department. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to stay up to date with new videos, don't forget to subscribe.